Welcome back to this video tutorial. We can discuss some more operations in C language in this video. Now we can discuss about the relational operators in C language. The relational operators are used to comparing two quantities or two values in program. Okay, so relational operators are used for comparison, and the operators are double equal to symbol is used to check if two quantities or two values are equal. If we want to check two values are equal in C program, we need to use two equality symbol. Okay, and this one exclamation with an equal symbol, assignment symbol, is used to check whether the two quantities are not equal. Okay, this one is used to check if the two quantities are equal, and this one is used for checking if the two quantities are not equal, and this one is used for checking if the one quantity is greater than the other, and this one is used to check if the one quantity is less than other, and this for checking if a quantity is greater than or equal to the second one. This one is used for checking if the quantity is less than or equal to other. Okay, we can consider the program example after discussing the conditional control statements and looping statements. Okay, so these are the operators, relational operators available in C language. Next is about the logical operators in C language. C provides three logical operators when we test more than one condition to make decision. Means if we want to check more than one conditions, we can combine that condition statement using this logical operators. Okay, if we want to combine more than one condition checking statements in C language, we can use this logical operators. The operators are double ampersand symbol, logical and operation, logical or operation, and not operator. Logical and operator, it perform logical conjunction of two expressions, two condition checking statements. Okay, if both the expression evaluate to true, then only this logical and operation returns a true value. If either expression is evaluate to false, then the result of this logical and operation is also become false. Got the meaning? That means AND operator, logical AND operator, is used for combining two different condition checking statements. Okay, if any one of the condition checking statement among the two statement become false, then this logical AND operation returns a false value. If both the two expression returns a true value, then only this logical AND operation returns a true value. Right? This is the logical OR operator. Okay, it performs a logical distinction of two expressions. If either or both of these expression among the two condition checking statement, if either or both the expression evaluate to be true, then this logical OR operation also returns a true value. Okay, and this is the NOT operator. It performs the logical negation of an expression. Okay, it convert or it negate the meaning of a given expression. Okay, so these three are the logical operators available in C language and is used for combining more than one or two condition checking statements. Okay. Okay, next is about the assignment operator. Assignment operator is used for assigning the result of an expression to a variable. Okay, a single equal symbol is used as an assignment operator, and a equal to 10 minus 5. That means this 10 minus 5 is an expression. The result of this expression is assigned to an integer variable a using this assignment operator. A single equal symbol is the assignment operator. Here, this is another example, a plus b. This a plus b is an expression, and the result of this expression evaluation, after the expression evaluation, the result is assigned to another variable c here. Okay, so the assignment operator is used for assigning a constant value to a variable or the result of an expression evaluation to a variable. Okay, here we have some more shorthand assignment representation. Okay, it's a modified form of or the combined form of arithmetic operations and relational operators with assignment operator. Okay, so this is the case, like plus equal to. This means increment then assign. That means this is equal to, this is the expression a equal to a plus b. We can represent in shorthand form this particular statement as a plus equal to b. This is the shorthand representation of this statement. Similarly, minus equal to. That means a minus equal to b. This means a equal to a minus b. This is the shorthand representation of this entire statement. For this, a star equal to b, actual meaning a equal to a into b, and a divided equal to b, the actual meaning a equal to a by b. And here this is the shorthand representation, a mod equal to b, that means a equal to a mod b. Okay, so these are some shorthand assignment representation. Thus a shorthand representation is also comes with relational and bitwise operators also. Okay, so now we can conclude this logical operation, relational operation and assignment operation in this video, and we can discuss the other operators in the next video. Okay, thank you.